Okay, guys, good morning. Here is the ES. Now it has got some stability in trading, and I tried to short the first trade here. I tried to short it, and it didn't work out. The market just reversed and continued to the upside, and I see high frequency trader here trading, so we shorted the market, and I just want to let this one run. I removed the stops, so I shorted the Nasdaq with two contracts. So let's see if how much we can get out of this trade, and just let it ride because the market is really very random, and it's just uh, trying to make crazy things. So let's hope this one works out, and maybe we can add to the position. But the AES is all-time highs, all-time highs. So we see volume. It's not like yesterday. Yesterday, as Mr. Powell was speaking, the market just dried out and has had no direction. No, it just consolidated. It was impossible to trade yesterday. So, for example, today we see a 50,000 volume candle here. We see the high frequency traders very active, and the market just reversed and tried to make a long. Over here, they're trying to short the high of day. Didn't work out. They sold it and they bought it here. Then they keep on adding to the position. You barely can see a triangle here. Okay, we can barely see it here. They bought and sold. Then they bought again. They bought again. They took it to the upside. Then they tried to make a reversal here. I saw the 50,000 volume candle. I didn't interpret the a good way. I thought the market was gonna go lower because I saw the Nasdaq reverse, but it was a fake breakout to the downside, so got stopped out. Okay, so now I'm shorted. It's the second trade I take in the ES, and we're still holding. Let's see what the market can do, and let's see the Nasdaq. I saw over here there were lots of uh, imbalance to the downside. So I guess the market just don't want to go lower, higher. So we're just holding to this position. Let's see if we can get the low of the day. See buyers in the tape here. High frequency traders buying here. They already bought and sold in the micro ES. So we hold to the position, guys, and see what the market can bring us. We see little volume to the downside. Still, we don't see heavy buyers trying to reverse the market, but we're gonna wait and see. The Nasdaq just consolidated here, but I'm still holding the position, guys. I'm still holding. Market is very slow, but at least it has a little bit of direction right now. So it can play out. Maybe we can get to the $2,000 level. So we're gonna wait. The ES is just doing nothing. It's just there. So for me, it's possible to trade alternate market as the ES is really not moving. At least like yesterday, it was a horrible day. It was clear that the traders were outside the market. We're on the fences as there was no volume candles. There were no, I don't think it was a 30,000 volume candle yesterday, all day long. Well, as the Mr. Powell was speaking, so of course the traders need to be aside. But the Nasdaq was moving a lot yesterday. So I don't know how much the ES will take to be in this sideways market, and in this chaos you see over here is a lot of chaos. So there's nothing you can trade in here. So it's very, very difficult because you don't know the reaction of the market. So it's very complicated. You see a high frequency trade sell here, but still not moving. If you want maybe to get a clue of the market, you can check the high frequency trader signals, and you can enter a trade position based on that. Okay, so it can help you a lot. Watch for correlation. Try to enter a trade when you see the support line. For example, right now we are going long, so you see the support line just formed, and you can once it's done, you can see a high frequency trader here. Go with the trend. Okay, you see a double print here, double print, then maybe you can enter here if you're conservative. Okay, so this prints are very important for your trading, very important. Try not trading the open because you will get chopped out. It's a very fast market, and where we are at these highs, you never know what's going to happen, and they will just eat you alive. So it's not like a good idea to trade the open. You need to let it at least 1 hour, hour and a half, or maybe after the European close. You can trade. For example, you see this reversal here. It was very clear. The high frequency trader just hit the market, and they reversed it. So right now they're buying and selling. They're just playing around, doing nothing. They're just waiting the I think there's a profit quarter earning report. So they just on the sidelines. Okay, so we're gonna wait a little bit and see if we can get to the 2K level in the Nasdaq. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna bail out
Order
of the
filled.
ES. I'm gonna exit the Nasdaq too.
Order
So
filled.
okay, guys, so I'm not interested in continue trading today. It's very difficult. The market is too slow. The market is making points in volume in very random areas, and we need the volatility in the ES. Else, it's very difficult for you to profit from this. I think the better vehicle right now with the Nasdaq is moving a little bit slowly, so I think it's more tradable right now. This is it hasn't done too much today. Okay, so I see the imbalance over here, minus 1,013 contracts. It's not usual to see 1,000 contracts shorted. So you see over here 2,970 contracts to the upside, but it was stopped out, and difficult to trade right now. Okay, so I'm out for today, guys. So if you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. The imbalance pattern is not included in this program. It's a separate program, and it's not complicated to trade, guys. The thing is that you need to watch for the time to trade, wait for the market to have at least a good move, and when you see the market going back and forth, it's very difficult to trade at these highs. And that's it for today, guys. Maybe the ES can go higher, but at these levels, it's very difficult. But we're looking over 50,000 volume candles in this reversal. In this pattern, remember, the high frequency traders buying and selling, it's a reversal pattern. So it's maybe you can go long here, and that will be it for me for today. No more trading. Thanks for watching, guys.